привет. Ну, в прошлый раз в Атланте мне не получилось пострелять из Desert Eagle, а вот я решил сюда прийти и пострелять. Ну, в двух словах, это здоровенный пистолет. Выглядит он примерно вот так вот.
Yeah, keep it pointed downrange.
So, достаточно тяжелый. Вот пуля к нему выглядит вот так вот, то есть она достаточно здоровая. И сейчас, собственно говоря, мы будем стрелять. То есть я его заряжу.
So how do you feel? Yeah?
Are you going at this point? Okay, so I'll tell you. Go ahead. Finger off the trigger. Put the gun down. Put the gun down. So you're not going to put the rest of the bullets in the magazine?
Not at the moment, but I'm gonna shoot one bullet and then reload.
Okay. All right, guns on safe.
Can I continue?
Yes, absolutely. But just keep the gun pointed that way at all times. It's loaded. It's ready to go. All you have to do is take the gun off safe.
Time around your foot
Okay.
right here.
Range hot.
Yep, range is hot. So from that point on, take the safety off. No, there you go. All right, going hot.
That's how it shoots.
Right.
So, what about it?
Right from there?
Should I do it like this?
Yes, absolutely. Whenever you're ready.
Range hot.
Okay, going hot. Lean into it.
Can we get?
Lean. There you go, like that.
It's not shooting. Maybe I need some promotion.
Make sure the safety's off. Okay.